Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you the technique. About cosine x, we can change about 2 cosine x over 2 square minus 1. Negative number 4 multiplied with number 2 and negative number 1. Five plus 4, you got about 9. Next, we divide cosine x over 2 square on numerator and denominator. This one you got about number 1 and you got negative number 8. Next, we have one over cosine x over 2 square equal to tan x over 2 square plus 1. So we put this one go in here. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So we put about u equal to tan x over 2. So you got about du, you got about this one in here. And we have 1 over 2 in here. Because we don't have 1 over 2, we multiply both sides with number 2. So this one you got about 2 du. This one you got about u square. Number 9 minus 8, you got about 9 multiplied with number 1 minus number 8. So you got about positive number 1. And now we got the final answer. So we got the final answer. About u, we need to change back for this one. Now let's go to the next one. About sine x, we can change about 2 sine x over 2 cosine x over 2. Next, we divide both sides with cosine x over 2 square. So we have 4 over cosine x over 2 square, and this one you got about 10 sine tan x over 2, because this one simplified with cosine x over 2, sine x over 2 divide cosine x over 2, that's why you got about tan x over 2. And this one we got about 4 plus tan x over 2 square plus 1. And now we need to use the same technique in here. Let's see about this one. So we put about u square in here. This one is about u. This one we change for 2 du. So we simplify number 2. So you got about 2u square plus 5u plus 5. Number 2. So the next one we do about factorization. This one we can do about partial fractions. So we put about capital A over 2u plus 1 and capital B over u plus 2. So we do about common denominator. So we have A multiplied with u plus 2 and capital B multiplied with 2u plus 1. So we will arrange based on the power of u. About u, you got about A plus 2b and we have 2a plus b. So based on coefficient on numerator, we just have only this one equal to number 1, this one equal to number 0 in here. And now we can create the system of equation. So we solve 2 equations in here, and you got about A equals to 2 over 3, B equal to negative 1 over 3. So we put this one in here. And now we got the final answer. Because we have number 2, so we multiply with 1 over 2, and you got about 1 over 3. About u, we need to change back for this one. And the last one, we change sine 2s into 6 sine s cosine s. So if we look carefully about this one, this is similar the technique in here. So in this situation, you can do by yourself. That's the end. Thank you for watching.